Here are 3 reasons why you should get a camper conversion instead of buying a factory built camper. If you don't know what I mean by camper conversion, this is it. It's basically where you take a cargo trailer or some other type of trailer or van or whatever, and you convert it into a camper on the inside. So when you convert it on the inside, it now becomes a camper. It can be one that you plug in at a park, or it could be one that is completely off grid, or both, which is what ours is. It's completely off grid, or we can plug it in. But this is what I mean by camper conversion. So let me tell you the 3 reasons why you should do this instead of buying one that's already made from the factory. Reason number 1 is strength and durability. These cargo trailers are made like tanks. They are made so well. The framing is made out of steel. And if you look at these pictures, this is from an accident that we were involved in. We were rear-ended by a teenager that had been partying all night down at the beach in Florida. And we were just sitting at a red light, and he rear-ended us pretty bad. And you can see all the damage done to his car. They actually ended up totaling his car. But if you look at the damage done to our trailer, it was very minimal. And when we were talking with the police officer, he said that he's seen other campers that have been in accidents, and when a vehicle hits these campers, they would literally go through the camper if they were high enough or whatever, because they do have a base frame that's metal. But he says these campers usually will just shatter into pieces when they've been in an accident. Reason number 2 is going to be customization. As you can see, you can pretty much do a camper conversion any way you want. You can customize it with anything. You can even put actual real pieces of furniture in it, kind of like what we've done right here. We've put some real furniture in here. You can put a TV, you can put a fireplace, anything you want. And then over here, again, like I showed you earlier, we've got a full shower with a very nicely tiled floor. We've got a toilet. We've got a water heater. We have a refrigerator and an oven. And I know you can get these in regular campers, but the nice thing about when you do your own conversion is that you can customize it however you like. You can put your own touches on it, and you can do pretty much anything. The third reason that you want to do your own camper conversion rather than buying one is cost. You can buy a cargo trailer, and then you can put everything you want into it for probably less than half the price of what it would cost to buy you a regular factory built camper. It's so much less expensive. Even if you were to pay somebody to do the work for you, you can still get it done for cheaper than you can buying a factory built camper. And it'll be done. The quality will be much, much better. I promise you that. So if you are considering getting yourself a camper conversion, you should definitely do it. If you're trying to weigh back and forth, when we built this one, that's what we were doing. We actually went to some dealerships and we looked at some campers that were out there. And we ended up deciding to build our own by buying a cargo trailer. And that was like 8 years ago when we did that. And so we have never looked back. We have been super excited. It's held up really good. And yeah, that's my advice is if you are considering doing it, you should definitely do it. And if you need help, or if you need somebody to build it out for you and you live in Colorado, let me know. And I can help you out with it.